Hello everyone, my name is Vedant Rao. I am from School of Scholars, Piltaruni. Today I am going to explain you about my project for Science Fest. So first, my project name is Solar Power Array for the Filtration. In short, SPOP. So first, let's know us that why, what and how about this project. Firstly, why it is needed. So as we all know that the use of clean energy should be encouraged. As we are using non-renewable sources like coal and petroleum, it emits a lot of residue which is not good for our environment. Also, a lot of communities do not get clean drinkable water for drinking. So, if we imply this system, it can be also encouraged. Then, what? So, what it will do? So, it will convert sewage into a source of drinkable water by going all these chambers. So, let's how it will work. So, let us know about this how it will work in detail. So, firstly, what are the main technologies used? Technologies used in this project is solar disinfection, solar magnet, photocatalysis, solar part electrocoagulation, solar part reverse osmosis, and solar part ultrafiltration. So, firstly, this is a community we can set down city villages from which with the help of pipelines in a sewage storage chamber all the sewage is stored. Side by side while the day is going the solar panels capture the solar energy and the inverter stores it and gives the supply of the electric current to all the chamber. So, when after the sewage storage tank, it goes to the solar disinfection chamber, in which a layer will be there which will conduct heat, so that all the microbes and all the pathogens can be killed. Then it will go into solar magnet chamber. In this, a solar powered electromagnet will be present, which will remove all the conductive waste from the sewage. Then, photocatalysis chamber, in which some UV light reflectors will be present, which will emit UV rays and radiations, so that the effect of chemicals can be diluted. Also, a catalyst will be present, so that it will increase the rate of chemical reaction. Then, it will go into the solar electrocoagulation, in which a solar battery will be used, so that with the help of wires, it can give supply of electric current to the two electrodes, which will remove all the impurities like ions from the sewage. Then, these two are very modified advanced processes of filtration. Firstly, reverse osmosis and ultrafiltration. So, then the sewage will go into the reverse osmosis chamber. This is a three-tier water filtration system in which two sediment prefilter and one carbon prefilter will be present. In the carbon prefilter, it will adjust the odor, color, and all the other types of the water. Then it will go in the ultrafiltration chamber, in which membrane tubes will be present of the height approximately 0.02 microns, so that all the other microscopic waste could be removed, so that none of the waste is removed. Then it will go into the pure water chamber, from which water could be supplied to whole. So let's learn about the benefits of it. First, effective use of clean energy. As we are using solar energy, we are indeed promoting clean energy. Then, less use and dependence on electricity generated by non-renewable sources fuels means less pollution. As we are using clean energy, we are avoiding the use of non-renewable resources, which indeed cause air pollution that could be sustained. Then, various communities can contribute towards Mother Earth directly or indirectly. If we are using this system so that communities are implying it, so we are using solar energy. So, indeed, we are directly or indirectly contributing towards Mother Earth. Then, global warming can be sustained. Also, it emits various greenhouse gases which create a greenhouse effect, increasing temperature in the earth. So, after also directly or indirectly water pollution and air pollution can be sustained. The sewage of the various amenities are thrown in the seas, oceans, rivers, lakes and other water bodies. So it causes air pollution. Also a lot of residue is produced after burning coal and petroleum. So that could be also sustained. So My project is based on SDG 6, 7 and 13. Thank you.
देखो आप कनेक्ट कर लो